Hey guys, this is a review of the Sony WI-C310. I did an unbox 5 days ago, and I told you guys that I was gonna do a review of them. And what I want to tell you guys is that I don't really like them at all. I'm never gonna use them. I think these are the worst Bluetooth that I've used, mainly on calls. They're pretty good if you want to watch movies or listen to music, but even that, I don't think I'm gonna use them anymore. Whenever I make calls, the other person can't really hear anything that I say. They have a hard time understanding what I'm saying. The magnet that they have in these things are that they're not strong enough. They're always coming off. The only good thing, I guess, is the battery and the sound. If you want to, if you want to purchase them to watch some movies or for music purposes or anything like that, I think they're pretty good. But I was using them at the gym, while I was driving, while I was working, and I couldn't see myself using them anymore. I don't like how they were at the gym or driving or at work. And like I tell you guys, most of the time I use them to make calls for work, and I had a hard time. I kept on turning them off and getting my other ones that I usually have on. So yeah, that's basically what it is. Battery, it's good. The charging time, it's good. The quality, it's all right. It's not bad. It's just that the magnets are pointless, and basically everything else for the calls. Sound is good, but even that, I don't think I will be using them. It's up to you guys if you're gonna try them on. Thanks, and if you wanna know any other Bluetooth, I'm happy to check them out for you guys. Cause I use a lot of Bluetooths, but these are far the worst that I've used, no doubt. Thank you again, and peace.